Hi everyone, it's Neema here and I'm going to show you in tips and tricks how to make a vodka cocktail with fresh fruits. Basically everything that is natural. It's time now for a carrot vodka cocktail. Now, if you like my video, then please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified when my new videos are uploaded. Let's now start with few ice cubes. Then drop in 60 ml of orange juice, plus 1 lime. Here it goes. So I've taken a fresh lime. Now comes our next ingredient, the 60 ml of carrot juice, and our 30 ml of simple syrup. Okay, now time for our last ingredient, our vodka. So here I am going to take a 30 ml of vodka. And here it goes. Let's close this with a lid and shake it, assuming that you are in a fancy bar. Shake it up, baby. Let's pour this into a glass. And can garnish it with anything of your choice. Here I'm going to use a cucumber slice for garnish. And enjoy. So here is our carrot vodka cocktail. Cheers from my end to you all. Bye. See you guys in my next video.